Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about and give you the information regarding to Internet Explorer. So basically Microsoft officially mentioned recently that they will retire the Internet Explorer from their site on 15th of June, that is today. So from today and onward they will not give you any update, or the Windows will not use Internet Explorer, but there are some things which will use Internet Explorer, but they are limited, and I will show you. And also what is the replacement. So as we all know, Microsoft owns the Edge browser, so that will be the replacement for this. And now I will show you some things, like these are the apps under this official page. They mention like they will continue on the Internet Explorer thing for some time, but prefer to use Microsoft Edge. All the details are over here. I will share the link with you in the description, as well as some community talks, and regarding to that you can see over here. It will help you if you are using in an organization, you need to move things, and you can see how you will use the Microsoft Edge browser for the application purposes and the other things. So for today's information, I just wanted to give this information, and I will come with another productive information in my next tutorial very soon. So till then, have a good time. Bye bye.